Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter today. Chapter 10, Means of Transport, from the book GK0. Knowledge enrichment. Transport carry people and goods from one place to another. There are different means of transport that we use while traveling to different places. So, they are telling us about transport. जो ट्रांसपोर्ट होते हैं वो people को और goods को from one place to another place carry करते हैं, right? If we want to go to some other place, we use so many kinds of transport, right? So, in this chapter, we learn about the different means of transport, okay? So, there is traveling by air. If we travel by air, we have different means of transport. We have some examples here, okay? This is aeroplane. This one is helicopter. This one is hot air balloon. And this one is parachute. This one is rocket. And this one is called glider. Then there is traveling by land. If we travel by land, again we have different means of transport. We have some examples here. This one is car. This one is bus. This is called bicycle. And this one is motorbike. This one is train. And this one is rickshaw. Okay? Now, traveling by water. So, again we have different means of transport which is used in water. We have some examples here. Okay? Now, this is ship. And this one is called submarine. This is canoe. And this one is hovercraft. This one is yacht. And this one is sailboat. Okay? Now there is a creative skill. Match the means of transport to where they are used. So kids, here we need to match the transport with the means where are they used. Okay, so this is a train which is used on land, right? So we'll match this with this one. Okay, then this one is a aeroplane which flies in air or sky, you can say. So we'll match this one with this one. Then this is a truck which runs on road. So we'll match this one with this one. Then this is a ship which runs on water. That is sea or ocean. So we'll match this one with this one. We are done with this question. Now, take the means of transport you have travelled by. Here we need to take the transport we have used. So, there is a motorcycle. So, I'll put a tick here because I have travelled on it. You can tick on it or you can left it if you haven't travelled by it. Okay. Now there is metro train basically. So I'll put again a tick here because I traveled by metro. Okay. Then there is airplane. I'll not put any mark here because I haven't traveled by airplane here. You can put tick here if you travel by it. Okay. Now there is a car. I'll put tick here because I used car in traveling. Okay. Now there is a bus. I'll put tick here again because I used bus in traveling. Okay? So, I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.